Hey folks, Captain Dave here again up in Truro at the Pamet River boat ramp. See me behind me, the parking lot is filled. This is the first day of the 2018 commercial bass season, and this is where everybody was launching from today, or at least the vast majority. Basically, this gives you access to the waters, particularly up around Provincetown and the backside of Truro down to the golf balls. That's been the stretch that has been having bass for the last several years on topwater plugs, but we heard today the fishing wasn't particularly good. This ramp is highly tide dependent. You can really have a difficulty getting out of here at low water unless you have a particularly small boat. It's a well-run ramp. They really keep track of what's going on in here. Reasonable amount of parking, but if you during commercial days, if you make the mistake of deciding you want to come fishing down here, you better get here by 3 a.m. To find a spot. And on weekends, it's extremely busy as well. It really fills up. I mean, you get a lot of folks. Again, it's easy access to Cape Cod Bay and certain areas. Some people launch here to go over to Billingsgate, although there are closer spots. It does not have fuel. It does not have any fuel in this area. It is a double ramp, one coming in, one going out, although it can get a little messy. Obviously, it's not a very nice day out there today, but it's a nice area to kind of come down if you want to just kind of hang out. But overall, good ramp, good floats. As I said, highly tide dependent, and I believe the fee per day is $10 a day, and I think the seasonal pass is $100 for the season, but I'll have to check on that to make sure I'm giving you the right information. But again, Pamet River boat ramp in Truro.